there is one thing that you definitely should not be doing when it comes to cryptocurrency investing. In fact, a very famous investor just made this very mistake. I'll break that down for you in today's video. Also, some new big investors coming into the cryptocurrency market, some tax news, some technical stuff, all of that and much, much more in today's video. My name's Lark. Every day I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing, so if that's a topic you'd like to learn some more about, maybe just stay up to date with, then you should definitely subscribe to the Lark Davis channel. Also, if you can take a quick second to tap on that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, that'd be massively appreciated. We'll get a thumbs up for me, you thumbsing up, the thumbs up button. Be super cool. And obviously, if you want to get a notification when I put out a new video, you should click on that notification bell. Also, if you are a trader and you want a great exchange to trade cryptocurrencies on, you have to get yourself an account over on Femex. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, Chainlink, all of the hot coins. You can long, you can short, zero fee spot markets as well. Use the link down below in the description to start your account. You're going to get 10% off of your trading fees and up to $1,200 in trading bonuses. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look at the charts. I just want to share a few things with you today. Ethereum just put in its highest daily candle close ever. Nice. Nice. The last, of course, highest daily candle close for Ethereum was way back here in May. So it's pretty awesome to see Ethereum really picking up some strong momentum. Obviously, there's a lot of reasons to be bullish on Ethereum. I'm still very, very bullish on Ethereum. So making a video later this week telling you why I am so damn bullish on Ethereum. It's nice to see the market agreeing with that general sentiment. I want to take a quick look here too at the Shiba Inu charts. Let's have a quick look at that. Pretty crazy just how insanely bullish Shiba Inu has been. It's dog coin season, guys. It's dog coin season. Dog coins are back in fashion. Now look, Shiba Inu, it's now a big cap dog coin. So the gains potential for it, it's a lot less than it was before. I mean, obviously it's been very, very bullish over the last few weeks. We've seen some incredible price moves since the start of the month. I mean, it's up 400 some percent. That's pretty damn insane. If you ask me, of course, a lot of low cap dog coins have been going absolutely crazy. We've seen Samoyed, which is like a Solana-based dog meme coin, going crazy. We've seen Kuma Inu going crazy. That one's up like 50x in a month or something like that. Dogecoin's been kind of chilling, actually, in this whole dog season mania. And there's like a bajillion other dog meme coins. It's totally freaking crazy, man. People love dog meme coins. I've never been a big dog meme coin person myself, but wowzers. Wowzers. Now look, there has, of course, this idea going around now that we're going to see something like Shiba continue up higher to get the same kind of gains that it's already had. Right, if you'd put $1,000 in Shiba Inu on January 1st, you'd have like $500 million right now. Everyone wants to repeat that magic, but it's not going to happen from this point on. I mean, some people are saying, well, Shiba Inu can go to a penny. I mean, that would require it to have a $4 trillion market cap, which is almost twice the entire cryptocurrency market together. To say that Shiba Inu would be worth more than like Apple, right? Does that sound appropriate in your mind? I don't really think that it does. So just keep your expectations, realistic when playing around with these dog meme coins. You can make money off dog meme coins. Lots of people do. I have nothing against dog meme coins. I think they are a great addition to the cryptocurrency culture overall. Just be aware of what it is, of course, that you're playing around with. Also, you can have a little quick gander at this here. What do we have when we have the RSI of an asset falling and the price putting in higher peaks? That, my friends, is what we call a bearish divergence. Doesn't mean the price can't go a bit higher within this framework, but more likely than not, we will see Shiba come back down to earth. Gravity will catch up here at some point, and we'll move on to the next season. Dog meme coin season, tends to be rather explosive and exciting. But then we move on to the next thing, and then it'll be NFT season again, or it's going to be gaming coin season again, or whatever else happens to come up next. So interesting to see that. And let's talk about old man Bitcoin. Well, we have the charts open here. What's Grandpa up to? Grandpa Bitcoin. Let's have a look here. So, Bitcoin, nothing particularly exciting going on. Now, we did break back above our resistance here around $62,000, so that's nice to see. I do enjoy breaking above resistance, so that's cool. The volume, of course, wasn't super awesome on that move. Not horrendous. We did see rising volume coming into trying to break over this resistance, so that's a positive thing right there. But, currently, we're just kind of chilling with Bitcoin. We hit our all-time high. Everybody got very excited. Now the hangover is kind of here for Bitcoin, but we'll crack new all-time highs soon enough. I'm still looking at $100,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year. Now let's talk about the one thing you really shouldn't do as a cryptocurrency investor, or for that matter, a tech investor. So this is the story of a man named Michael Burry. Now you probably know him from the infamy that he sort of gained around the 2008 financial crisis, betting against the U.S. housing market. And of course, he was in that movie, The Big Short. Was it Christian Bale? Christian Bale played him? Yeah, I think Christian Bale. Anyway, good movie if you haven't watched it. Very entertaining. Very entertaining. But I think he has become too much of a bear. It seems like Michael, he's now tied his identity to being a contrarian and being a bear, always looking to short everything. And it's a dangerous mindset. I believe it's a very, very dangerous mindset to have this constant, the sky's falling, everything has to be shorted all the time. Because imagine this. Imagine if Michael Burry had simply gone long. See, he was calling for Bitcoin to go down at the bottom back in, July or whatever. Had he gone long at that point, he would be up over 100%. You see, the thing to keep in mind is that longing is always so much more profitable than shorting. He would have been up 100% plus had he gone long back then. And what would a short have done? Max 50% or something like that, if the market, of course, had collapsed further. Longing is better than shorting. Being a bull is just a better life than being a bear, Being a bear is depressing, man. But yeah, Michael Burry, he shorted both Bitcoin and Tesla. Now, Tesla also has just reached a new all-time high price. Anyway, I've been dollar cost averaging into Tesla over the last few months, so it's nice to see it making new all-time highs. I also, of course, invest in stocks, and I don't really talk about it here on the channel. It's a crypto-focused channel at the moment. Maybe when, the bear market comes back for crypto, we'll talk more about stocks. But, the main point here, the thing not to do, don't bet against innovation. And that is exactly what Michael Burry is doing here. And I know it seems really clever and contrarian to do it, but just look at the insane growth of tech stocks and crypto and the realization of what this technology is actually delivering. Betting against electric vehicles and that people are going to buy more electric vehicles. The entire world's transitioning to electric vehicles. Yeah, bet against that. Right. The entire world is going to go crypto. We're at maybe 10% of the way to getting to really hardcore mainstream adoption. That's where half the world is using cryptocurrencies. We're about 300 million users right now. We'll be at projection, of course, of 3.7 billion users by the end of the decade. Yeah, bet against that. Bet against that. Bet against 3.4 billion more users coming into the cryptocurrency market. Yeah, that's going to make Bitcoin go down. It's loco, man. It's loco. Don't let the bear psychosis overtake your mind. And look, there are times to short, and that's fine. That's fine. I tend not to do a lot of market shorting. I usually look for longs personally, but you can short. There's short times when you can do that. But for the most part, you want to be very short-term exposed to those kind of moves because realistically, don't bet against innovation. Just stop doing that. That's craziness, man. Electric vehicles, AI, food tech, anything related to the internet, space tech, crypto, all this stuff is just going to go to the freaking moon over the next couple decades. We are in an exponential growth period right now, betting against innovation. It's crazy, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm not doing it anyway. Now let's move on to some investing news. There's just two quick stories to share with you because, any one of these stories like 2 years ago would have been massive. Everybody like, oh my gosh, it's like the biggest story ever. Now it's just like a footnote, another big player getting into Bitcoin. Cool. This time it is the Korea Teachers Credit Union planning to invest in Bitcoin. The fund manages more than $40 billion in assets. Pretty damn cool, of course, even a fractional investment from them, let's say just 1% or 0.5% of their assets is a pretty serious amount of allocation to Bitcoin when you're managing $40 billion, right? So another big player coming in, and just you have to start to realize the big picture of what all this means. Every single one of these credit unions and private funds and public funds and hedge funds and companies and everybody getting in. It all builds up. We are on the road to mainstream adoption. And every single one of these little stories, $40 billion unions getting in, builds up a very, very bullish picture. And there's a second story here. $437 billion fund is teaming up with BlockFi. So this is Neuberger Berman. They're teaming up with BlockFi to bring cryptocurrencies to their clients. No big deal, just a $500 billion fund. Teaming up with BlockFi for crypto stuff. Of course they are. Of course they are. It's pretty crazy. Just not a day goes by at this point where we don't have some kind of story like this happening. Another major company accepting cryptocurrencies, another major fund offering crypto to their clients. It just keeps building up. Remember, we just covered 2 or 3 days ago about the pension funds that are now buying Bitcoin, the Texas Firefighters Pension Fund. It just, no one's bullish enough. No one's bullish enough. I was having a conversation with my buddy yesterday, and he's like, you're not bullish enough. Like, I know I'm not bullish enough. No one's bullish enough. No one's bullish enough. It's crazy. Let's talk about taxes. Taxes, man. So you've probably heard by now the proposal to start taxing unrealized gains to help finance the Build Back Better plan in the USA. This, of course, is total freaking insanity. Now, look, what they're saying right now is it's only going to target like 0.002% of the top income earners. It's only targeted towards, billionaires and 100 millionaires. Very tiny fraction of people are going to even come under this. But don't they always say that? Remember when it was just, it's just transactions above $10,000, everything else, don't worry about. Now it's going to be transactions over $600. And in a couple years' time, it'll be transactions over $300, then transactions over $100. And then every single transaction, you buy a piece of gum, the IRS is going to have to know about it. And the crazy thing is, we just had the Pandora Papers leak, right? Now, what did that show us? It showed that the global elites, the very people that this proposal is saying that they're going to target, those are the people who don't pay taxes. They have a shell company in Ireland, and it's all just washed through loopholes and offshore accounts. These guys are not paying taxes. So if you try to tax their unrealized gains, they're just going to move all of those assets offshore. That's what they're going to do. Oh, you want to try and tax my whatever property portfolio? Well, I'm just going to put it all under a company and register it over in Ireland or wherever else, whatever tax haven they might go to. The rich will not be affected by this, but you know who will be affected by this? Because, of course, once they realize, which they obviously know already, that they're not going to get the money from the billionaires and the 100 millionaires, where do they come next? They come down to the middle class, the upper middle class. People who are investing in stocks and in crypto and who might own an investment property. All of those people are going to be targeted by this bill. long term, right? I mean, they won't start there, but it'll definitely trickle down to those people in a very short amount of time. So if you have stocks and the stock prices go up, well, you have to pay taxes on that. If you have crypto and the price of your crypto goes up, you have to pay taxes on that. You're not selling it. You're not selling it. You're not selling it. You're paying taxes on unrealized gains, which is a totally loco idea. What about this? Imagine your house price goes up. You have to pay tax on it. Now look, the property markets have been absolutely on fire over the last few years. So if you were to, let's say you bought your house 10 years ago and you have just an incredible amount of unrealized gains on your house, you have to start paying every single year the unrealized gains, a tax on that. You're going to have to sell your house, man. Some people are going to have to sell their houses because they don't have that kind of money to pay unrealized gains on their investment properties or just their own home. It's craziness. It's craziness, man. Now, look, who knows? It's just a proposal. It's just a proposal. We have no idea, of course, if this is going to get through, but it's just a reminder that the global economy, the governments, they're all run by sociopathic criminals. These are crazy people. These are crazy people. They're literally saying, we're going to take money from you before you even realize the gains. It's a broken system, man. It's a broken system. Buy Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin, opt out, and move countries if you have to, I would say. Holy cow. Holy cow. Anyway, just my 2 Satoshis for the day. Your question. What do you think about this whole Michael Burry situation? He's shorting Bitcoin. He's shorting Tesla. He's getting destroyed on his shorts time and time again. Do you think it's ever a good time to bet against innovation? And if so, when is that time? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.